Hey, there you are, and welcome to My Dude Watch. My name is Jason, and we are back with an awesome list of Black Friday stunners. We have some of the absolute best watch brands from AliExpress, and the best part, they are all under $100. So you know the deal. Grab a snack, pull up a chair, and let's talk watches.
They call me a god.
Okay, we are just about ready to go, but I want to ask you, if you will, subscribe to the channel if you've not done so yet. It really does help. We are just about ready to get started, but before we do, let's do a quick wrist check. This is the Pagani Design PD-1703. This is a beautiful chronograph. It's clean, legible, and a really great business watch. I think it's pretty cool, and I think you would too. All right, we are just about ready to go, but before we do, I just want you to know that I either own or have owned all of these watches except for two. So I do speak from experience when I recommend these. Let's talk about the first banger of the night. This is the Rollstimi 7930. This is a watch brand here that's been on a roll during 2024. They have stepped out of the shadows of Pagani Designs and carved their own reputation with one banger after another. This is a great looking watch that is specced out nicely. We're talking about a 40mm case, a beautiful dial that's extremely legible. It's loaded with stainless steel everywhere. I'm talking about the case back, crown, bezel, and bracelet. There is a sapphire crystal with AR coating, and this watch has 100 meters of water resistance. And what is powering this stunner? You guessed it, an NH35 automatic movement. During Black Friday week, this stunner can be yours. Great way to start this list. So where do we go from here? How about an awesome Corgeut? This is the Corgeut 3002, and this diver has itself together. It has all the usual specs a top dive watch would need. Stainless steel, a screw down case back and crown, sapphire crystal, and a Japanese automatic movement. This diver has 100 meters of water resistance, a nice bracelet with solid links and solid end links. It also has a milled clasp and some really great finishing. It's also available in a lot of different variants. Too many to mention at the moment, but I do suggest you check them all out. They are all great. There are a whole lot of watches to check out during Black Friday week. This is one that should be on your short list. It is a steal. Okay, that's 2 down and we got 8 to go. Up next is the Specht and Sohne SP-0017. This is one of those watches that simply makes a statement. Take just a moment and look at the aesthetics of this watch. This is class on top of class. This is a watch that fits most people. It's 39 millimeters and the length of this watch is 44 millimeters. This is also one of those that's a go anywhere, do anything type of watch. It's classy enough to be a dress watch, tough enough to be a daily wear or casual wear, and the case will fit right up there under your cuff. This watch comes with an awesome bracelet. That band is 24 millimeters and tapers down to 20 at the clasp. And speaking of the clasp, it has a hidden pusher to open. And to no one's surprise, power in this versatile watch is an NH35 automatic movement. This is a pretty incredible watch. It's one that I'm going to get for sure, and you can get it too for less than $70. And there you go. That's 3 down, and we'll press forward. Here's number 4. This is the Seagull Honor. This is also one of those versatile watches. Do you need a dress watch? Here you go. Do you need a daily wear? Here you go. This watch is whatever you need it to be. Seagull is a highly decorated brand and recognized around the world for their quality and affordable watches. Seagull has an in-house movement, the ST17. It's 39 millimeters in diameter with a thickness of only 10.5 millimeters, and it only weighs 57 grams. This watch is constructed with premium parts. I'm talking about stainless steel, sapphire crystal with AR coating, an incredible strap made of genuine leather, and it has 50 meters of water resistance. The dial is very nice. It's simple and attractive. Take a look at the dial. It's an open design that's extremely legible. The lug width on this case is 19 millimeters. This Seagull is a great watch with a tremendous history. It's also one of those staple watches that collectors want in their collection. You can add it to yours for less than $90, and it's worth every penny. I got to tell you, this Seagull is one tough act to follow. However, I got a watch here that can do it. This is the Tophill Double Alt 8G. This is a tremendous value with more than $30 off of its normal price. This diver is crafted with premium parts. The case, caseback, crown, and bezel are 316L stainless steel. You also have an option to purchase the bracelet, and if you do, that'll be stainless steel as well. It has 120 click unidirectional bezel with a ceramic bezel insert. There is also a nice piece of sapphire on this diver with multiple layers of AR coating. It's an exceptionally good size to fit most people. It measures to be 40 millimeters in diameter and only 43.5 millimeters lug to lug. The thickness of this case is 14 millimeters. Now, this is a legit diver. The water resistance of this watch is 300 meters, and the movement, well, it's an NH35. This watch is not only great looking, it's great performing, and what a deal it is for less than $65. All right, here we are, halfway home. What's next? The Parnis 6061. This is a tough and reliable 44 millimeter watch. It's built with solid stainless steel case, caseback, and crown. It has one of the best case backs I've ever seen. It's an awesome exhibition window that kind of reminds me of the Rudland. I really like this dial and its design. It has member numbers on the outer edge of the dial. Here you can see 5, 10, 15 minutes and so on and so forth. And just under those markers, you can see the hour markers. 1, 2, 3, and moves around the clock until you get to 12. This dial has a sub dial just over the 6 o'clock for the seconds hand, and for $62, this is a great deal. You should check it out. Let's keep pushing ahead because we are rolling. Here at number 7, this is a watch that if you're looking for a battle-tested, tough guy watch, this might be the one. This is a Cooper Submaster. So what do we know about this Submaster? Well, it closely resembles the watches worn by the British Special Forces back in the late 70s and early 80s. Its reputation is nearly indestructible. It has a black dial and white indices to assure the wearer of its legibility. It has gladiator hands to increase the likelihood of getting time at a glance. This dive watch is 42 millimeters in diameter with a 45 millimeter case length. It comes with an incredibly strong NATO strap, and this stainless steel tank is water resistant to 300 meters. This diver is powered by a Miyota 2115 movement. This is the style of watch that never looks dated, and you can find it for less than $50 during AliExpress Black Friday week. That is 7 bangers down, and after scanning the field, we chose this for number 8. This is the Addiesdive AD-2071. I guess we can start off with the obvious. Many of you said that you would not buy an Addiesdive because of the logo. Well, this simply has the name on the watch without the logo. I'd love to know how you feel about that. As far as the watch goes, it is an automatic powered by an NH35, has 100 meters of water resistance. The case is crafted with stainless steel, and protecting this dial is a bubbled sapphire crystal with blue AR coating. This watch measures 39 millimeters in diameter with a length of 48 millimeters, and the case is 13.5 millimeters thick. This watch comes in 3 variants, a gray, a green, and this very popular red. These watches are one of the most popular on AliExpress, and it's on sale for $89. Well, that's 8 bangers in the bank. Here is number 9. This is the SD-1967. If you're looking for a durable watch that looks great and performs like a champ, this may be yours. The 1967 is one of the more legible watches you can get from AliExpress. Take a look at this dial and the hour markers. It has thick hands, and the hour markers are orange and white. The black dial and the white markers offer a contrast that's hard to beat. This is a Steeldive, so you know the loom is incredible, and power in this diver is the NH35, so you know it'll be consistent. And this watch is 43 millimeters in diameter with a case length of 44 millimeters, and this diver has an allowance of 200 meters of water resistance. I ordered this watch for myself, so it's on the way to the house. I think you should check it out too, because less than $85, that is a tremendous deal. Here we are. We made it to number 10. This is the Militado ML04. This is a 39 millimeter case with a lug-to-lug of 47.5 millimeters. The thickness of this case, which includes the crystal, is 11.8 millimeters. Speaking of that crystal, it is a domed AR-coated sapphire crystal. The ML04 is all stainless steel, even the pushers and the crown. This chrono is powered by one of Miyota's signature chronograph movements. It's called the OS00, which is known for its consistency and durability. This watch is available in several variants, including emerald green, black, and blue. The ML04 is a fashionable watch in the sense that you can wear it anywhere, but it's also a tough watch, so you can wear it out in the field. This guy can be yours for $74 during AliExpress Black Friday week. We gave you dress watches, field watches, pilot watches, dive watches, a little bit of everything, and we think these are great recommendations. You made it to the end of another video. Thank you for doing that. If you enjoyed what you saw today, please take the time to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you didn't like what you saw today, it's okay. You can subscribe anyway, because 88% of all My Dude Watch viewers think that I got a face that's better suited for radio, but yet they subscribed anyway. You can too. We talked about a lot of watches today, so if there's one or more of these watches that you want more information on, we do have affiliate links in the description. You can go there, investigate these watches, see if there's something that you're interested in. If it is, and you decide to purchase, just remember, My Dude Watch does get a small commission, but you don't pay more. Thank you guys for watching, because that's a wrap. So we're going to get out of here, but thanks again for being here. My name is Jason with My Dude Watch, and we'll see you next time. But don't forget, dudes can't be late.
They call me a god.